sense that you gotta.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine. I'm going to start with this Dewy toner. This is absolutely amazing product, little expensive but really good. Then I'm going to follow up with the Rise Ceramide Moisturizer. The hydration this moisturizer gives is next level. Now I'm using the hydrating sunscreen mist. This is from this brand called Moody, and trust me, ever since I got it I just can't stop using it. And now for some extra glow and that very sheer coverage, I'm using this e.l.f. Halo Glow filter, and it works like wonders on my skin. For concealing my eyes, I'm using my favorite concealer. It's from Too Faced. It's very high coverage, so you need very little drops of this concealer and it works like wonders. Then for setting up my under eyes, I am using this K-Beauty setting powder, and it's one of the best products from K-Beauty. If you are looking for a good setting powder, you should definitely try this one because it will be worth all your money. Then for the blush, I am using this Glam blush, and I love this blush so much. Honestly, I use it like on everyday basis. You can see how easily I am blending it with my brush. Now for setting my eyebrows, I'm using this pencil from Swiss Beauty, and I honestly don't buy any expensive product after using this. For my eyes, I'm using L'Oreal mascara, and for lining my lips, again I'm using the Swiss Beauty lip liner. And the lipstick that I'm going to use today is from March. It's one of my very favorite color. I use this color for everyday basis also because the formula is very comfortable on your lips, and it's also long lasting. You don't need to like apply it again and again because it's gonna stay. And now for the lip gloss, I'm using my go-to Maybelline lip gloss in the shade Petal. Now for highlighting my face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter, and this is again my everyday go-to highlighter. You can see the glow by yourself. This entire look is something that you can do very quickly on everyday basis. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy wherever you are.